Hey cookie lovers, are you ready to embark on a delicious journey? Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best chocolate chip cookies ever. These cookies are crispy on the edges, chewy in the center, and loaded with chocolatey goodness. Get ready to take notes because this recipe is going to be your new favorite. Trust me, you'll want to make these cookies again and again. First things first, gather all your ingredients. Having everything ready and measured out will make the process so much smoother. Make sure your butter is softened and your eggs are at room temperature. This helps everything mix together more evenly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. A properly preheated oven is key to baking success. In a large bowl, beat together 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. The combination of white and brown sugar gives these cookies their perfect texture. Mix it until it's smooth and creamy. This step is crucial for the right consistency. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time. Make sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your cookies. Trust me, this makes all the difference. The aroma of vanilla will fill your kitchen and make your cookies irresistible. Now dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 2 teaspoons of hot water. This ensures the baking soda is evenly distributed in the dough. Add that to your batter along with half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up. The salt balances the sweetness and enhances the flavors. Time for the magic ingredients. This is where the fun begins. Stir in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. The chocolate chips melt into gooey pockets of joy, while the walnuts add a delightful crunch. Yes, walnuts! They add a fantastic crunch. If you're not a fan, you can leave them out or substitute with your favorite nuts. Drop spoonfuls of dough about 2 inches apart onto ungreased baking sheets. This spacing prevents the cookies from merging into one giant cookie. You don't want them to stick together. Proper spacing ensures each cookie bakes evenly. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes or until the edges are perfectly golden brown. Keep an eye on them to avoid overbaking. Once they're done, let them cool on the baking sheets for a minute or 2 before transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. This step is crucial to avoid breaking your cookies. Patience is key here. Finally, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container. This keeps them fresh and chewy. They'll stay fresh for up to a week. But let's be honest, they probably won't last that long. Pro tip: throw a piece of white bread into the container to keep them soft. The bread helps maintain the perfect texture, and there you have it. A batch of perfect chocolate chip cookies that will impress everyone. Perfect chocolate chip cookies every single time. Enjoy them with a glass of milk or share them with friends and family. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy baking! Your support means the world to us. And remember, there's nothing like a homemade cookie to brighten your day. So go ahead, bake a batch and spread some joy.